Today, we're diving into the TEAMGROUP Elite DDR4 64GB kit, a game-changer for laptop performance. Sporting a whopping 3200 MHz speed, this RAM kit is not just about capacity. It's about unleashing your laptop's full potential. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk specs. First off, adherence to JEDEC and RoHS compliance ensures not just top-notch performance, but also a commitment to environmental protection. This isn't just another RAM kit, it's a conscientious choice. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the attached installation video. Whether you're a seasoned tech whiz or a newbie, getting this kit up and running in your laptop will be a cinch. And with a lifetime warranty and free technical support, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. But let's talk about the real star here, the performance. With a memory speed of 3200 MHz, this kit ensures lightning-fast responsiveness, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or handling heavy-duty applications. And don't fret if your laptop doesn't support the full speed. It's backward compatible to 2933 MHz, or even 2666 MHz, ensuring compatibility across a range of devices. What really sets this kit apart is the attention to detail in manufacturing. Each module undergoes rigorous testing and verification procedures, guaranteeing reliability and stability even under the most demanding workloads. In conclusion, if you're looking to supercharge your laptop's performance, look no further than the TEAMGROUP Elite DDR4 64GB kit. With its impressive speed, adherence to standards, and commitment to quality, it's a game-changer for any laptop enthusiast. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.